Making a presentation is inevitable when you are in a corporate world. Today, I will give you useful expressions you can use to make your presentations in English flow. Hi everyone, this is Renette from Teaching Learning English. Welcome back to our English lesson. In business transaction and as part of your job, you are often tasked to present your report and you sometimes feel awkward on what expressions to use, especially how to start and what are some expressions or phrases to use. You can reduce the amount of thinking time you have to do in a presentation by learning these expressions. I will give you 4 common and simple verbs such as make, take, give, and do, and this will serve as the basis of the many phrases that we will learn. I will give you 5 phrases for each verb. Are you ready? Let's start using the verb make. What are some possible phrases from the word make? Example: this is an area where we are finally starting to make a real progress. Despite the pandemic crisis, yet we've made significant improvements to our new system. There's an important plan that needs to be made in our company. After years of doing outreach activities, our company is finally making an impact on the sector. We always want our clients to make the most of the facilities we can offer them. Do these expressions help you? Can you add more? Let's proceed to the verb do. Last year, we did a survey on customer satisfaction and the results were amazing. So we used the past tense of do, which is did. As your team leader, I am extremely proud of what you have done. This is to inform you that the members of the marketing team have been doing some excellent work on TV campaign. You see, you can use different kinds of verb tenses. You can often do more damage to company profits by expanding too quickly. We need to do our very best if we are to attract more customer loyalty. What have you observed? Are they easy? Next is the verb take. This is a common one. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to take this opportunity to welcome you all to our annual stockholders meeting. I'd like to take a few minutes to talk you through last quarter's profits. The closure of hotels has really taken a bite out of our profits. Due to this unplanned crisis, we need to take a chance and try something new. It's all too easy to think that planning and research department is all about taking initiatives. And the last one is the verb give. Before I start, I'd like to give you the rationale to the work we've been doing in the last year. This graph will give you an idea of how far we've come into the last few months. I don't want to give you the impression that it's all doom and gloom, all right? I could give you few examples of where this strategy has worked. This one, let me begin by giving you an overview of our history of our company. At least I have given you 20 useful expressions. Let's have a quiz. Will you accept my challenge? Use any of the verbs that we have studied. You may change the tenses of verbs if necessary. Okay? Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in blank a warm welcome to our CEO. We have blank the deal now. Number 3, to start, I'd like to blank you in an overview of where we are today as a business. The 4th one is, even after blank allowances for currency fluctuations, you can see here that last quarter's sales were very respectable. We need to blank our message crystal clear to our customers if we are going to get their support. We've listened to our customers and blanked their views on board. As your CEO, I have decided to blank a break for managing the day-to-day monitoring of our sales. We need to blank our very best if we are to attract more customer loyalty. How's the quiz? Is it easy? Here are the answers. I hope you will use these expressions in your next presentation. If you like this video, please share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Happy learning, everyone! See you!